let's make crab cakes. Alright family, I already know the recipe is in the description below. Alright guys, check out the Dulse. This is everything you have to do to get it to have that fishiness, because remember we are making and mimicking crab cakes, right? So y'all already know Hellman's is the only one that I'm using. Alright, check out this nice and washed jackfruit we're gonna use for this crab meat. Alright, I'm gonna use this big Nori sheet. They normally use this for sushi, but hey, anything to make this even more fishier is the best way to go. Aye. Alright family, so now we're gonna go ahead and start building our crab cakes. Alright guys, so we're gonna add the seasoning, the onions and the peppers. If you don't like it, you don't have to add it. Alright family, so now we're gonna put in the flax seed. Guys, remember we normally use eggs, but this is vegan, so we're using a flax eggs. The recipe is in the description below. Alright guys, so we're gonna mix it nice and slow. Take your time guys, you don't want it to come out mushy, you want it to come out and stay intact to mimic those chunks of crab pieces. This is what it looks like. See that? Alright guys, so now we're gonna begin to make it into a patty of somewhat, right? Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. I'm gonna be using this gluten-free Panko breadcrumbs to this recipe. Is gluten-free, so if you have any gluten intolerant guys, this is definitely the recipe for you. Alright, so we're gonna mix it and begin to build. Alright family, so we're gonna cook our crab cakes in this pan for 5 to 10 minutes guys, on both sides until it's nice and golden brown. You already know you can't have a crab cake without any tartar sauce. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to make some good tartar sauce. Alright guys, we're going to add our lemon. Alright, take them seeds out. Going to add our mayonnaise guys. We're getting that mayonnaise from Hellman's. Yeah, you heard me, mayonnaise. Alright, so we gonna mix that in nicely. Alright guys, the recipe for this is also in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Add some black pepper. Yeah, I already know I'm gonna add that sweet relish guys. Now we're gonna go for that yellow mustard guys. Make sure to check the back because some mustards are not vegan. Alright guys, so we're gonna mix that in, and I also added some chopped yellow onions to this recipe, which I didn't show you but I also did. Alright guys, so mix it up nicely and you're gonna taste it just to make sure. And look at how nice and brown our crab cakes are guys. So we're gonna flip it back and forth, remember, between 5 to 10 minutes on both sides until it's golden brown. Yeah.